In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily trim videos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Photos app, and after that open up a video you would like to trim. Once it is done, tap right here at that icon and then you will be taken to the video editor. And now here, in order to trim that video, we just need to drag these handles. Let's say I want to change start point for this video, so I can easily do so in that way. And then in the same way we can set new end point for that video. Once it is done, tap right here at play, and that's how we can see the preview of our trimmed video. And if it is not right, you can easily change it in the same way. Once it is done, tap right here at done, and then you need to choose whether you would like to save that video or you want to save this video as new clip. After that, the result is going to be saved to the Photos app, and that's where we can easily find it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.